Two of the biggest names in crypto exchanges go head-to-head. One crucial comparison. Which platform truly stands out? On one side, the trusted and secure Kraken, and on the other, the user-friendly and innovative Gemini. We're testing them in real scenarios that matter to you. Security, fees, user experience, coin selection, and more. Let's skip the hype and look at the facts. Each round earns points. At the end, you'll know exactly which exchange comes out on top. The winner might actually which exchange comes out on top. The winner might actually surprise you. Let's dive in. Okay, let's do a quick mind map to show what we're judging them on. Here's how this breakdown's about to go. We're going to look at fees, security, coin choices, usability, regulation, and, oh, don't forget, those extra features that can really make or break an exchange. Sound good? Let's get into the details. Let's kick off with something everyone cares about. Fees. Kraken is well known for its lower maker and taker fees, plus you get these nice volume-based discounts if you're trading big amounts. But, gotta admit, their fee schedule can get pretty confusing at times. Gemini, on the other hand, keeps things refreshingly simple. Their fees are easy to understand, and they don't charge for ACH deposits, which is a nice little bonus. But, and it's kind of a big but, if you're trading small amounts, Gemini actually slaps you with some of the highest fees out there. Oh, and certain coins have these extra withdrawal fees. So overall, if you're looking for the lowest fees, Kraken definitely takes the prize here. Jumping over to security. Both of these platforms really flex on security. Kraken's got a public proof of reserves audit that's a huge trust factor, and things like YubiKey support and rock-solid two-factor authentication. But, and this is worth noting, they did get hit with a breach way back in 2016. Gemini? Well, they're regulated as a New York trust company. They're SOC 2 compliant, that's big for security nerds, and honestly, their licenses really set them apart. Although, there have been some phishing reports recently, just saying. So yeah, both of them are basically top tier for security. It's a tie. Now, coin choices. Here's where Kraken kind of shows off. You've got over 200 tokens and coins with DeFi stuff, staking, even futures if that's your jam. Downside? The interface for all these options can feel a bit overwhelming, especially at first. Gemini keeps it more focused, supporting just the big name coins and NFTs in their marketplace. So if you want a huge selection or like exploring new coins, Kraken just wins this round by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool to break things up. Did you know the very first Bitcoin transaction ever was used to buy pizza? I mean, imagine paying a couple $1 million for pizza today. Crypto's come a long way, right? Switching gears to usability. Super important, right? Kraken gives you all the pro trader tools, all the bells and whistles, but honestly, the desktop UI gets a little packed. Gemini, though, has one of the cleanest mobile apps out there. It's buttery smooth and perfect for beginners. The downside? If you're a power user and want fancy charts and features, Gemini might feel a bit, I don't know, basic. But for day-to-day use, or if you're just starting out, Gemini is the clear winner. Alright, let's talk regulation. This one's interesting. Kraken is registered with US FinCEN, so they're legit for sure. But honestly, they're not as locked down in terms of regulation compared to Gemini. Gemini stands out here, regulated as a NY trust, assets are insured, extra peace of mind. Especially if you worry about hacks or rug pulls. That said, if you live outside the US, some restrictions pop up for Gemini. Bottom line, Gemini dominates this round. Now for features. You know how exchanges try to set themselves apart. Kraken's got margin trading, staking, crazy futures markets, advanced order types, all the stuff that makes serious traders smile. But, quick heads up, margin isn't available everywhere. Gemini, meanwhile, adds on things like crypto earn and even their own NFT marketplace, which is cool, but no margin trading or those heavy-duty pro tools. So for hardcore features, Kraken is the pick here. So let's take a step back and look at the big picture. If you were to plot out all these categories on a chart, you'd see some clear patterns. Kraken really leads with fees, coins, and power features, while Gemini comes in strong on regulation and ease of use. Security's neck and neck. So here's my honest take. Kraken is the obvious choice if you want tons of coins, deep features, or you're looking to do heavy trading. On the flip side, if you're new, want a crazy simple app, or you care about regulation above all else, then Gemini might be your best friend. Long story short, Kraken wins this matchup overall. But hey, you really can't go wrong with either if you pick based on what's important to you. So, what did you think? Did this help you decide or just add more to your wish list? If you found this crypto face-off helpful, hit follow and keep an eye out. We've got more epic comparisons coming your way soon.